Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video will be a Sunday shout out video. Yeah, we did like it the last video Sunday shout out, the small YouTube support. So I will do it again for you guys. So if you're new here to my channel, hi, my name is Hakima, but I go as Kimstylex, and I am 21 years old, and I do lots of vlogs and DIY videos. So today's video is Sunday shout out. Sunday shout out goes to Cassidy. I hope I say your name right, Cassidy. I really do hoping that I am saying your name right. If I'm not, I'm so sorry. I really do apologize. But she also has a YouTube channel, so y'all make sure to go over there to her channel and subscribe to her channel. I just want to say thank you so much for commenting my video and subscribe to my channel, and thank you for letting me know that you want a Sunday shout out. If y'all want Sunday shout out, make sure to comment down below on my video, this video right here, that say I want a shout out, and make sure that y'all put your IG ad on your comment for let me know that I can follow y'all back and I can DM y'all, let y'all know that y'all in the Sunday shout out for this Sunday. I hope that y'all understand what I'm saying. So this is like a small YouTube support too, so comment down below with your channel name that I can look it up to y'all and subscribe and to watch our videos, and y'all can support one another in the comments. But make sure that y'all genuinely love that channel and support that channel. That's all I got to say. So I just want to update y'all where have I been and what's going on in my life right now. Well, really nothing is going on right now, nothing too crazy or anything, but I have been babysitting this month with my niece and nephews. I have been babysitting with them a lot, and yes, I didn't have time to film or do anything because I was watching them. But now I do have time, so hopefully I can make a lot of videos. Hopefully I can make a lot of videos for you guys and can sit them out and y'all can watch them. I am trying to post every Mondays, Wednesdays, Fridays, and Sundays. Sundays is like a bonus video for Sunday shout out. So yeah, that one I really want to do. I want to be back on YouTube. I want to like start posting more videos for you guys. So if I'm not posting nothing, that means I am busy watching my niece and nephew, or I am filming. Y'all just gotta wait when I post it. So yeah, that pretty much what I have been doing a lot this month. But yeah, please, I have seen I am losing subscribers, which is kind of sad, but I kind of understand that I had not been posting, so y'all just unsubscribe me. I have a lot of videos coming your way, so please just stay in the journey with me. You know, I want to say thank you all so much for letting me hit 1K subscribers. We hit 1K subscribers. That was my dream goal for this year. That is crazy. Literally, I had it on my vision board for this year. That was so crazy about. But I don't want to talk too much for the 1K subscriber because I am doing another video like that, like a special video for 1K subscribers. So I want y'all to look out for that. I just can't wait. To do it. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the video. That's pretty much it for the Sunday shout out. Make sure that y'all subscribe to my channel and make sure that y'all follow me all on my social media, Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Oh, y'all can see the room is kind of different. If you've been here, yeah, you can see the room kind of different. If you're new here, this room wasn't like this before. I am doing a video about this room, so make sure that y'all subscribe to my channel. A lot of big things coming to this channel. So yeah, I hope y'all have a wonderful, beautiful day. See ya. Breaking into your heart like that. Cold shakes on the ground.
owe it all to my mother. Hot like summer, yeah, I'm making you sweat like that. Break it down. Ooh, when I look in the mirror, I'm not too hard to do. I got the superstar glow, so ooh.